Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a quick repair for you. This is a Google Pixel 5 with a very damaged front display, and David is here to fix it for us. So let's go. So this is a Google Pixel 5. So Google Pixel smartphones are relatively easy to repair when you only need a screen replacement. So this is going to be a shorter video than usual. We're going to remove it directly, and we can access the internal components of a Google Pixel 5 through the front display. We're going to remove it slowly and carefully because shards of glass are falling off this front display. David is also wearing protective gloves on his left hand. On the right, doesn't need to. He needs the precision of the prying tool. We're gonna remove this retaining clip and then remove the connector for the display and put the broken display safely on the side, and we'll properly dispose of that later. I'm gonna prep the housing, remove all the shards of glass and the remnants of the old glue. Look at that, it's ready for the new display. For now, we're gonna test it if it's even working with the new display. Then turn this on, and it's turning on. So we're also going to test if it's going to boot up directly to the home screen. And yes, it does. The cameras are all working. That's David. We're going to shut it down for now and continue with our reassembly. So this is going to be a quick one. We're going to attach the display now with liquid glue, or it already has its own adhesive at the back, so no need for us to do that. And we're gonna close up the device. Hopefully it's gonna work for many more years with its owner. So thanks for joining, guys. If you want this kind of repair, message us, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.